fabulous. Hi, and welcome to Joseph the Hairdresser. And this week, in Joseph's chair, we have, well, we don't even have a chair. Why don't we have a chair? It's because the Halloween edition of Joseph the Hairdresser with hairdressers. Anyhow. In the spirit of Halloween, I went all over town so I could find tons of stuff to use for decorations. I like to have everything look festive for the holiday spirit, but what do you mean you can't tell I decorated? Hello, it's right here. In the spirit of Halloween, we're gonna demonstrate on my lovely model, who's so glamorous, how to make you look disgusting and use some household items to make bloody brains some crazy hair so you'll have beauty to die for. You'll be the talk of the party. That's right, Halloween is wonderful. Come with me on our field trip now. Girl, I need some vodka. Damn, get a little wild. This is the first stop in buying supplies. Yeah, I feel spooky. Woo! I think it's because I have cramps. And a little blue glitter. Of course, we have to have glitter. Does that not sound like a boyfriend? Shh! Shut up. God, the neighbor's mom's gonna hear. Oh my God, there's your kid. They come out looking so cute and pretty. When you turn these little bastards, when you turn to the side, frothing at the mouth with blood everywhere. I'm Britney Spears. Look at it. I'm all cracked out. This is Britney Spears during the drug binge. This is Britney Spears after.
Please leave me alone.
Let's go look. Oh, hey, it's a rave. Girl, keep dancing. Oh my God, you're so thin. I'm jealous. I'm on a diet. I hope I look just like you eventually. Who's your dentist? Your teeth are perfect. That's not fair. I'm starving. Ooh, is that what happened to Emerald? Look, we could give this to a lot of people I know. Hey, found your brain. Creepy cuts. This is what happens when you masturbate too much. They cut your fingers off. I love this right here. It's so believable. Little brains, darling. No, no thank you. Brains make me fat. Do you do liposuction? Do the lipo. Darling, you're such a genius. What's happening? Dear God. If clowns aren't scary enough, let's take the kids to the fun house for this. Little bastards. This is the future of all CEOs in America from investment banks. You son of a bitch, you're not getting 160 million gold parachute now, are you? Oh my God, oh, exhausted. Did you see that? That was crazy. We're back. Let me show you a few of the items that we picked up on our trip. Scar wax. I have 2 different colors. Our blood, some basic color wheels that are going to give us some different colors of makeup. Sponge makeup applicators, foundation, lipstick, wooden spatulas, eyeshadow applicators, plastic spatulas. Okay, so what I've done is I've already pre-applied some of the wax. I put darker wax underneath and the lighter wax on the outside to give my bullet wound the appearance of death. Then I applied some wax right down the crease of her face. And I go into the wax like this to give me the right amount, about a 35 caliber. Few dents in it because there's always powder burns in a gunshot. Then she fell and gashed herself, so I'm gonna go along like this with my pencil, just give me a rough idea. The spatulas we discussed earlier, this is where these come in handy. We use it to smooth around the edges, then down through her gash. That's what you get for trying to run from me and not tipping. I'm gonna go over it with a makeup applicator and I'm gonna smooth that just a tad. Color wheel, and I'm gonna take the black. I'm gonna darken my hole into the girl's head. Hello, are there brains in there? I'm gonna go right down the gash that we made in her face because we're gonna start needing to see some depth in there. Dimension. Color makes dimension. And then maybe what happens if it's a little sore, so we take a little blue and darken up the edges because she bashed her face in. And the more colors you add and blend together, the more realistic it looks. We're gonna use a little bit of dark on there, and then we'll blend that all in. Poor thing, there we are. Then I'm gonna take the foundation and I'm gonna use this to blend around the edges or over the top of our wound. Let's apply your makeup, love. Oh, look at that. Look at how nasty that looks. Looks like it hurt. Some red on there, mixed in with all my colors. Oh, I want sushi. There we go. And probably go underneath her eyes with a little bit of gray. I'm so loving that look. Blend it down on the cheekbone since all the blood's run out from underneath her eyes. Then I'm gonna take these light colors. I'm gonna go just around her lips. So blood drained away from her lips. Poor thing. So much for being home before midnight. It needs a little more lipstick on it because it's all bloody and yucky. Then we're gonna take our blood and squirt a little on there. You know, it's a fresh wound. Run from me again, you bitch. There we go, look at, oh, exactly. Ever so fabulously. We're gonna whip up a little bloody brains. And in the bowl, I have dryer lint, biodegradable, and a perfect material for fun things and fun projects like guts, puke, bloody brains that have been ripped from your skull or blasted out the back from a bullet. A little bit of blood. A little more blood. God, I'm bleeding. Then I'm gonna take my water, pour that right in there like this. And I'm gonna take this and mix up the bloody gutsy brainsies. Ugh. After mixing, this is what you're going to have. Disgusting enough as it is, look, a few blood vessels and some gray matter. Oh, you're getting hair in your wound, it will never heal. Backcomb the little darling. You take a section of hair and wrap the hair down like so. There, now I have some kind of crazy hairdo that I backcombed all out. I'm gonna take a little bit of spray. Of course, it's not perfect without glitter. I recommend you load up on it so you have it all year long. Lots of sparkling, yes. There we have it. Little brains for you, love. I know you need them. Some gore. There they are, part of the hairdo. I love you, you're so pretty. What do you think, Charlotte? Don't you think she's fabulous? Ah! No! No, I had to pay full price. You poor thing, no wonder you blew your brains out. And I'd like to thank everybody for watching this week's edition of Joseph the Hairdresser. I had a blast running. Oh my God. What the? Bitch, I didn't take that much hair out. What are you bitching at? Jesus Christ, I said, oh my, down. Fucking, I'll make you pay full price. Anyways, please go to josephthehairdresser.com or jtheh.com. I said knock it off. jtheh.com. Get away. No. josephthehairdresser.com or jtheh.com.